And today's generation, called the new generation, they have no concept that they too will reach the age of 70. It never occurred to me when I was 10 that anything over 20 was young. I never knew my mother as a young woman, and yet my mother was my mother since she was in her 20s. And yet as she grew older and I grew older, I always knew an elderly lady for my mother. And here she was, the mother of 10 of us, and I never knew her as a young, beautiful woman. I have pictures of her, but to me she was always an elderly lady. And yet when I was old enough to know better, she, in the eyes of possibly every man that she met, they saw her a beautiful, attractive lady. But I was not given that praise at the age of when I was young and growing, and she grew naturally. And together, well, she became an old lady. I never knew her as that attractive young woman that my father knew. So youth will never know that today anything over 20, if you're 10, it's old. But you tell a young man who sees anything over 40 as old, that he is old in the eyes of a 10-year-old, he is stunned. He can't believe that anything could look upon him and think that he is old. Yet anything 20 to the eyes of 10 is an old man. Especially if he comes now with beard on him and long hair. He looks old and very old to a young little girl of 8 and 9. Yet to himself, he is the new generation and 20. I say it's the play, the most glorious, horrible play in the world.